90% of people don't know. Image distortion with line scan camera scan be fixed with these settings. In the last lesson, we explained the principle of image distortion correction. In uniform motion scenarios, a constant internal line trigger frequency is sufficient for clear imaging. When the relative speed between the line scan camera and the object to be inspected fluctuates, we need to use the external signal from an encoder to ensure the line trigger frequency remains matched with the speed. The working principle of an encoder is to output a certain number of pulse signals at fixed distances. This allows it to be unaffected by speed changes and adjust the signal frequency in real time according to the actual speed. Suppose the encoder pulse resolution is 5 mm, meaning one pulse is sent to the camera for every 5 meters of movement. If the pixel resolution is 10 mm, the camera needs to receive 2 pulses to capture one line in order to avoid image distortion. Therefore, frequency division is required for the external trigger input. Simply set the division factor to 2. Next, let's look at the software settings. After connecting the trigger cables, first set the external trigger source to the encoder with AB phase channel. Set the division factor to 2, then enable line trigger. You will see the image proportion is normal. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like, share, and comment. We will keep sharing more practical industrial camera operation videos.